There is one very good platform online from where you can learn, and the fee structure is very affordable. It's called Physics Wala, if you have
Hello, ma'am.
heard of. Hi, how are you?
I'm doing well. What about you?
I am very well, thank you for asking. Could you tell me something about yourself? I think, so first of all, I want to, why aren't you sleeping?
Yes, ma'am.
Where are you from?
I'm from the east part of India. The state is known as West Bengal, and my city is Kolkata.
Okay.
Do you know Kolkata?
Yeah, I am from Delhi.
Oh, I see.
Right.
My small city is Malda.
Okay.
My small town.
I'm not aware of that actually.
Oh, okay,
But one of my cousin is living in Kolkata, and even my friend is in Kolkata, so I do know about that place. Okay. And my first question is, why aren't you sleeping? Why aren't you sleeping? It's very late. It's 1:20.
Yes, ma'am. Because when I start your schedule time, because I saw it's free 1:15 a.m. So I book it. And I already 3 hours, I sleep 3 hours already. And at 12 a.m. I woke up.
For the session?
Yes, ma'am.
Wow, that's really very good. That means you're a dedicated learner.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. So tell me something about yourself. What do you do, and are you a student? Are you in school?
Yes, ma'am. First of all, I am a 11th grade student in science. I joined Clapingo to improve my English fluency.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
And what are your hobbies? How do you like to spend your free time?
My hobbies, actually, my favorite subject is mathematics. I like to solve mathematics. So I want to do something on mathematics. Like I want to research on mathematics. Other side, I want to crack JEE exam, joint entrance exam for engineer or scientist.
Okay, that's.
Yes, ma'am.
So have you started your preparation for the exams?
Yes, ma'am. I already started.
Or you will start it next year?
Yes,
Sorry?
I'm
asking, have you started the preparation for your exams, or will you start it next year?
Yes, ma'am. I already started.
Okay, you've already started.
Yes.
So are you taking some coaching, or are you studying on your own?
I'm studying on my own.
Okay, that's great. There is one very.
After 12th, I will join a coaching for JEE entrance exam.
Okay. There is one very good platform online from where you can learn, and the fee structure is very affordable. It's called Physics Wala, if you have heard of.
Yes, I've already heard. I follow this channel on YouTube.
Yeah, I mean, I have not taken any sessions from them, but I have heard a lot about them. That the courses that they're offering, the content, everything is really very good. So you should check out their channel and their website and the courses, everything. It's really good. It will benefit you.
They already upload the free session on YouTube. I follow them. After 12th, I will subscribe their app.
Okay. Yeah, however you are comfortable. Okay. So briefly, I'll tell you about the application and the details. Before that, anything that you want to ask? Any specific question that you have? Then I'll help you with the fee structure and details about the classes and everything.
Actually, I know about the app because I research. First of all, I researched about this app and I find the app, and I found the app. Today I want to do a general conversation.
Okay, a general. You are already aware of the details?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so I'll just share one code with you, which you can use for extra discount, and then we can continue with the conversation. Okay. I'm sharing a code with you in the chat option. Can you see the code?
Yes, ma'am.
You can take a screenshot of it.
Can you share it again, ma'am?
Just tap on your screen once and go to more options. Of that, while
Yes, ma'am.
purchasing the subscription, when you select your package and everything, there would be a bill summary on your screen. There itself, you can use this code for extra 10% off.
Okay,
Okay?
ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. So tell me, first of all, what is your name? It's Imrahul.
Yes, ma'am. Imrahul. Imrahul
Okay.
Islam.
Very unique name you have.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. What does it mean, Imrahul?
It means actually a sincere person like that.
Okay. A sincere person.
Yes.
And do you think that you are sincere?
I don't know.
You
because
don't know.
because
Usually,
I don't think that I am sincere because I always think I am a learner and I want to I have to improve my no
that I
ma'am
want.
now, now now I have only one goal, that's study, because I like to study, because
Oh.
I live in a village, so I don't have a proper environment to
Hmm.
learn English. So I joined Clapingo,
Oh.
and mm, my mother tongue is Bengali, so I
Hmm.
can't speak English fluently to others. So I joined Clapingo,
Okay.
and that's
And a little bit you can work on enhancing your vocabulary also. So if you are fond of reading, watching videos, you can do that. You can watch videos in English. You can read books, novels, newspaper, magazines, anything that you have available. If nothing, you can refer to your mobile phone. You can search for a few articles online or a few short stories online. You can refer to those things and practice daily, reading it loudly. Whenever you come across new words, just write them down in your notebook. Okay?
yes.
Apart
Okay,
from that, I feel overall you can speak pretty well, but there is scope for improvement.
okay, ma'am.
Okay? But overall, you speak pretty well.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yes, thank you. And you can just use that code for extra discount in case you make up your mind.
Okay,
All
ma'am.
the details are mentioned on the website.
Okay,
Okay. Thank you for joining.
thank you, ma'am.
Good night. Bye bye.
Good night, ma'am.